Yesterday I got my post vise in and my anvil partially buried, so now I can start doing some proper forging. Before I do any more bladesmithing, I'm in desperate need of some tongs. So what I'm planning on doing is trying to make a pair of ABS style tongs. Essentially how you make them, it's very simple. You just make two tongs. Of course, when you make tongs, you make two of the exact items and then rivet them together. So the first one is going to look a little something like this. So you have your reins here, and then it's just a 45-degree angle up where your rivet hole is. And then it takes another 45-degree angle here, and then you take this end piece and then bend it over. That way, when you flip it, if you flipped this piece up this way, it would kind of look like it kind of has like a hoop that goes over or a hook, and it kind of holds on to everything. And then the other one is going to be kind of the exact opposite, where you have another piece like this that hooks around, and it goes like that. So then you can put your piece of blade or whatever you want kind of in there. Now, I have to forge it down about there. Yeah. Heck? Come on. Oh no, did I just rivet it inside of there? Shit. Oh no. How do I take it? There we go. Jeez. I wasn't directly over the pritchel. So now this part is going to be like this. I think, yeah, that should be good. Okay. And I don't think you're supposed to make it like an exact 90-degree angle or anything, so that should be good. All right. Here. Oh, come on. Out there. Yeah. Cool. Now I have the two halves here cut, ready to for the reins to be drawn out, because I think, yeah, the steel's a bit too thick to be comfortable in. I gotta kind of take off those sharp edges, maybe only in this area, because the rest of it, my hands aren't going to be up there anyways, so it doesn't matter. Shit. Don't do that. Alright. Well, wasn't fast enough there, but I'll just have to heat up the jaws completely, or I'll just have to heat up the riveted area in order to complete this. There we go. Oh shit. There we go. I think I can get that in there. And this back a little bit. Like that. And up. Oh wait, not up yet. I gotta. Sucks not being able to touch the metal, but it's much better than burning. Yeah. right. I think that'll work. Okay, so this one, need to kind of bring it in a little bit more. See what's like. Actually, that's pretty good. Yeah, perfect. I think that's gonna work for everything I need, really.